Hi children, welcome to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I am Swati, your IT teacher. How are you children? Are you all fine there? Okay, good. Children, we have completed our first chapter, Computer Hardware and Software. And now we know all the input and output devices, and we also know about the computer hardware and software. Today, let us start our second chapter, that is Introduction to Windows 7. Children, do you know what is Windows 7? Okay, Windows 7 is an operating system. So, what is an operating system? Okay, I will tell you. Children, computer is a machine which cannot think on its own and requires instructions from you. So, children, the most important program of a computer is operating system. It is the main software. A computer cannot do any function until an operating system has been installed on it. An operating system is necessary for the working of a computer. Children, when you buy a computer, the first thing that you have to do is you have to install an operating system. That is the main system software. Then only you can see the desktop. So what is desktop? It is the first page comes when you turn on the computer. See here. So it is the desktop image of Windows. There are many operating systems used in our world. So here are some examples. Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS. Among this, Windows is the most widely used one, and it is an operating system developed by Microsoft. And Bill Gates is the founder of Microsoft. Children, do you know why this operating system is widely used? Because it has a very simple user interface. So, what is user interface? Yes, it is the visual part of the computer operating system through which a user interacts with a hardware or a software. That is, we can see the user interface on the computer screen. And there are two types of user interface: graphical user interface and character user interface. So, I will show you the image of graphical user interface. This interface makes use of pictures on the screen, and we have to use mouse and keyboard to interact with this interface. And menus, icons, buttons and tools are there to make our works easier. The next is character user interface. It is also called command line interface. So children, it was used before Windows and is not used now. So in this interface, all the commands are given through typing on the keyboard. So we have to type on the keyboard to give the commands. Children, so that is about the user interface of Windows. And there are many versions of Windows, in which Windows 1 was the first operating system from Microsoft, and it is released in November 1985. And the latest version of Windows is Windows 10. Now let us learn more about the Windows 7 operating system. Here you can see what is this? Yes, it is the desktop. If your computer has a Windows operating system, mainly the Windows 7 operating system, you can see the first screen like this, and it is known as the desktop. Let's see some features of Windows 7, and the first one is icons. So on your desktop you can see small pictures that has a name, and that is known as icons, and they are used to represent files, folders or programs. Next is the start button. So you can see here at the lower left corner of the desktop, it is the start button which provides access to the main programs on a computer. and this is probably the most used button on the Windows desktop. And even to shut down your computer, you have to first click on this Start button. The next is taskbar. It is located at the bottom of the screen. Here you can see at the bottom the taskbar, which is more flexible, and it contains options like start button, which is present on its left side, then a notification area on its right side, and also contain the clocks and icons for programs which usually run in the background, and that is running programs, and also you can see the quick launch icons. The next one is gadgets. You can access mini programs from this gadgets gallery. So some of the programs are given here like calendar, clock, etc. And when you select it, it will appear on the desktop. The next feature is desktop background, and here you can see icons and gadgets, and you can even change the background color or even add a new picture for the background. The next one is notification area. Here you can see on the lower right side of the desktop, and this is the area where you see important notifications of the computer, and it also contains date and time of the computer. Children, so these are some features of Windows 7, and in the next class we will discuss some more features of Windows. Children, try to practice it and learn so that it will be more clear to you. So that's all for today. Let's see in the next class. Till then, bye.